Today we're taking you inside a large-scale American factory to see exactly how hot dogs are made.
Millions of hot dogs are produced here every week using industrial food processing systems.
Production starts with chilled meat deliveries.
Ingredients arrive under strict temperature control.
Grinding begins the transformation.
Fat improves texture and flavor. The formula is carefully controlled. Temperature control prevents overheating.
Texture is transformed.
The mixture becomes uniform.
Flavor is developed here.
Vacuum processing improves consistency. Filling begins.
Particle consistency matters.
Every batch is inspected.
The outer casing shapes the product.
The classic shape is created. Production moves rapidly.
Uniformity is essential.
Flavor development continues. Portions are separated precisely. Rapid cooling stabilizes texture.
Traditional flavors are introduced. Smoking adds color and taste. Temperature is tightly controlled.
Cooking is complete.
Heat fully cooks the product.
Products prepare for packaging.
Precision ensures safety.
The final shape is revealed. The finished product appears. Quality control remains strict.
Dimensions are checked. Consistency matters. Products are portioned.
Packaging begins.
Food safety protocols continue.
preserved. Shelf life is tracked. Branding is added.
Bulk shipping begins.
Cold chain storage continues. Products leave the factory. The products reach retailers.
Consumers see the final product.
Now the product is ready to eat. A simple product with massive popularity.
Hot dogs remain iconic in American culture.
From raw ingredients to an American classic.
Assembly begins.
Regional styles vary.
Premium variations are common. Condiments personalize the meal.
Another popular method is grilling.
From raw ingredients to an American classic. From raw meat to packaged hot dogs.
Subscribe for more factory food processes and industrial documentaries.